welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I meal prep for the week. So I'm going to start off with the ingredients. So for my protein, I like to use tilapia and chicken breasts. For my carbs, I'm going to be using sweet potato. And for my veggies, I am going to use zucchini, espárrago, some broccoli. This is the seasoning I'll be using for my chicken. For my tilapia, I'm going to season it with black pepper and some limes. And I use cooking spray. I also use coconut oil to cook all my foods. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is wash all my vegetables and chop them up. So I already went ahead and washed my vegetables and I chopped them up. So here it is. Hopefully you can see there's a zucchini, there's a sweet potato, there's a broccoli, and there is the asparagus. So the only thing I am going to boil is a sweet potato. Other than that, I'm going to lightly grill my asparagus first, then my zucchini and my broccoli last because I don't like my broccoli or zucchini soggy. I do not season my vegetables. I eat them just how they are because they already have a lot of flavor. The only thing I'm going to season is the chicken and the fish. Okay, now that my asparagus is cooked how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and add the zucchini next. And I'm going to let that cook until it's a little golden brown. And then I'm going to add the broccoli towards the end. While the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to prepare the chicken and the tilapia. So right now the tilapia, I have it defrosted under water. I already washed my chicken breast, so now I'm going to cut it and I'm going to season with this seasoning that I'm using. I don't know if you can see this, but my zucchini is cooked the way that I like it. I don't like it too soggy. So now I'm going to add the broccoli. Okay, and I'm going to let that cook a couple more minutes. So I'm going to use cooking spray to cook my chicken. So make sure this is nice and hot. And I'm going ahead and add my chicken. Okay, for my tilapia, all I use is lemon and black pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some lemon on my tilapia on both sides. And I just sprinkled a black pepper. On both sides. And that is how I season my tilapia.
Look how delicious it looks. And remember to check on your vegetables. So I still want my broccoli to be a little bit more cooked. And I'm checking on my sweet potato as well. I'm constantly poking it with a fork to see that it doesn't get too soggy because I don't like my vegetables soggy.
Are you gonna let us? Okay, so I'm gonna use cooking spray to cook my tilapia. Hopefully I'm able to fit all 4 pieces. Okay, perfect. I managed to fit all my tilapias. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook and I'm gonna be checking on my chicken and my vegetables and I'll be right back. Okay, after cooking our chicken, our fish, our vegetables, now it's time for the fun part. So these are the containers I am using to store my food, and these are, you can find these containers at Amazon. I also bought these ones at Costco too, so you can find them, you pretty much can find them anywhere, even at Walmart. So I'm gonna use these containers to start storing my food. So I'm gonna start off with the chicken. So I'm gonna put my chicken in here. So I normally put this much of chicken. And then for my vegetables, I put a generous amount because they're bomb. So I would put like this much of vegetables. And then for my sweet potato, this is my carb. I'm gonna put this much. So this is how it's still steaming hot because everything is freshly made right now. So as you can tell, I have my protein, I have my carbs, and I have my veggies. And then my fat is the coconut oil that I use in the cooking spray. And there you have it. Easy, simple, basic meal prep for the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.